Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Stripe account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you generate a new API key in your Stripe account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to generate or rotate your API key in Stripe anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're doing integrations between different softwares, a lot of times you're going to need the API key to your Stripe. However, for security reasons, if you need to revoke that API, you're going to need to rotate to a new API key. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stripe dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Stripe account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to rotate your Stripe API key, here on the left side, you're going to click on Developers. It's here at the bottom. Once you do that, you're going to see these options at the top, and you want to click on API Keys. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see your API key for your Stripe account right here. And in order to generate a new one or revoke this one, here on the right of it, you're going to click on these three dots. Once you do that, you're going to see these two options, and you want to click on Rotate Key. So rotate basically means it's going to generate a new Stripe API key, and that's going to revoke this API key right here. If you're okay with that, click on Rotate Key. Okay, next they're going to ask you how long you want until this API key expires. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and click on Now, and then click on Rotate API Key. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see I have a new Stripe API key right here, and you can see it was created today. The other key was created a few days ago. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to or rotate your API key in your Stripe account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.